Hello friends, in this video we will learn to install the extensions on Sketchup. So let's go ahead. Here are the links to install. Here you have the free extensions available of different categories. Today I will install 1001 bit tools. This is a very good freeware, and let's go ahead and open Sketchup first. Okay, I have updated available. There are updates available for 4 of the extension, so I'll ignore it for now. And I have some of the extension enabled at the startup, so it will take a little bit of time. I recommend if you are not using them quite often, then don't keep it enabled all the time, because it actually slows down the startup time for your Sketchup. So okay guys, now we'll to install an extension, you have to go to the Windows, and then here you will have the extension warehouse. Click on that, and then a window will pop up, and here you have option to sign in. So let's go ahead and search for one. Okay, it's suggesting here, and it's a freeware, so just go ahead and click on this one, select this one. Okay, here you have the tool. Before that, I would like to inform you which of the version, if you want to be specific about the extension you want, then you can check this one. I'll go to 1001 bits. So here, click on download. So here you have to sign in. So just sign in. So it's a update is available, ignore them. Okay, now I'm signed in. Let's click install. So okay, this has been marked as being compatible with your version, so you may experience the utility if you try to install it. Has not been marked as it's not being, but still I will install this one. Okay, so it's asking, do you want to access? Yes. Okay, the extension has been successfully installed. You can just click, and here are the tools loaded from the extension. Okay. Here this was. So here it has a lot of different options for the roof and the staircases and all different lines and all everything. So these are quite useful. I have a little bit of few of the extension enabled, so you can actually go to the Windows. Okay, so go to the extension manager, and here you have option to enable or disable extension. Okay, and here you have option to install extension, and if you have downloaded the file, that is the RVZ file, if you go to the browser, and from here you can uninstall all the extensions that you have. These are the free from the Sketchup, and this one is the one I have installed. So hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching.